Welcome back to the Best of Merchcast Podcast Countdown 2018 special whatchamacallit extravaganza.
Now for our number one.
At number one.
So our number one episode was definitely
our favorite episode.
The horse episode.
It's a podcast that involves horses.
Has to be the Horsecast episode.
The Horsecast.
Horsing around, you would say.
Which started out innocently enough as a way to pick a random idea and then we brainstorm on the idea.
We wanted to demonstrate how easy it is to brainstorm ideas for your Spreadshop. With 10 or 15 minutes of your time, you can think up ideas for designs, ideas for merch, how you want to promote. You can really build your own brand just by a quick brainstorm just like this.
Cool designs, just showing that we could kind of design or brainstorm.
Spitball about things that we aren't that familiar with and what we would do to actually monetize that through Spreadshop.
DJ dropped this brainstorming idea on us live while we were recording, so me and Nate's reactions are just excuse me?
And it was hilarious.
It got real weird real quick.
Nate started the discussion with his relationship with his horse.
DJ Nate and I know nothing about horseback riding.
People will really care about their horses, and I tried to hit on that point during the interview.
Horses?
Horses.
Then the giggle fest set in.
So I just started giggling and I couldn't stop laughing.
Got twisted. It was just a hilarious interview.
And I think I laughed for 8 minutes. I had to edit it out, but we left a lot of the laughing in there and I just couldn't keep it together really.
But it also was really informative and gave some people some great feedback. At least I hope it gave some people some great feedback.
Hopefully it demonstrates how you can quickly brainstorm ideas for your own Spreadshop.
About how you can take something, even something you're not familiar with, and create a Spreadshop with it. And that was kind of the whole point. But anyway, go check that out.
We hope you enjoy this episode, and if you want to listen to all the full episodes of our podcast, head over to anchor.fm/Spreadshop, or anywhere you listen to podcasts, you'll find us.
Nate and his relationship with his horse.
So without further ado, crab cakes, horseback riding, and enjoy.
Enjoy that.
Crab cakes with a delectable side salad.
Okay. All right.
Sounds good.
All right then. Alrighty then. I'm visualizing the delectable salad here.
Yeah.
So that has some tomatoes and
A lot of croutons.
I don't like croutons. They scratch the roof of your mouth and no good.
Teach their own.
They're like the switchblades of the salad.
Gotta live dangerously.
Yeah. So hey guys, I have not rehearsed this with you guys. I haven't even told you what the idea was, but I think we kind of dig it. I want you guys each to name 3 topics off the top of your head. They could be passions, topics, categories, whatever. Just name. So Nate, you name 3 off the top of your head right now.
3 topics that I'm interested in, or just 3 topics?
No, just 3 topics in general that could be something.
Skateboarding.
All right.
That's the first one. Next one, we'll say horseback riding.
All right.
You didn't like that one for this
Yeehaw.
And let's go with martial arts.
Okay. All right. Those are all.
Okay. You're okay with the last one. You don't like the middle one.
Yeah. I can picture you skateboarding. I can picture you doing martial arts, but I can't.
You didn't say.
I
just asked you.
No, I know. Yeah.
You said no.
That's true. It doesn't have
I
to
do
do
not
anything
horseback
with you.
ride. Just let everyone know.
Yeah.
So I was just trying to get something out of the left field there.
All right, Moose, you go.
Those were all very active, so I'm going to go with coffee, which is kind of an inactive activity.
All right.
Sitting while playing guitar. And let's go with crab cakes.
Okay.
I mean, that's a first. I haven't heard you mention that before, so that's a good one to go with.
Okay. All right. So the idea here, and I'm not going to do my 3. The idea is we'll pick one of these and flesh it out as if we're brainstorming live a shop and its products real quick and how to market it. And an imaginary person that might have to do with one of these topics. The 3 of us, we could kind of maybe decide real quick which one is the best to talk about.
Oh boy. I mean, horseback riding would be the ultimate challenge because
That would be the challenge.
Oh, okay. Because we don't know I don't know anything about horseback riding, but we'd be making it up on the fly.
Okay, well let's do that one because that is one that is something we're not all proficient in. So why don't we pull the knowledge that we obviously do have of horseback riding and try to create a interesting shop that would sell?
Yeah, because okay. And apologies to professional horseback riders and people that love horses. No offense or anything like that. We don't know what we're talking about. We're just going to
great.
All right, now it's time to come up with some genius ideas for horseback riding Spreadshop.
So I guess to start, one of the biggest things with your horse is your relationship with your horse. So that's one of the biggest things that some people take it. That was simply a platonic relationship, a very caring horse and caretaker relationship. You've ruined this, taken it to a dark place.
I'm trying.
I am too. I'm crying.
I know.
I don't know how I can talk about horses anymore now.
Oh, you just sounded so serious. That was what got me. It was like this really okay, yes, it's about the relationship with your horse. Wow. Maybe we should go with skateboarding.
We dive too far into horseback riding now. We're sticking with it.
I think we're good, yeah.
You just sound so serious about this, but it's fine. It's fine.
I don't know how else to talk about it. Be like, it took a horse
No.
So what is our goal? Are we trying to tell them how to come up with ideas for designs? Or
man.
People how much I love my horse. My horse is my family. Whatever it happens to be, you can do the classic eye, a heart, and a shape of a horse. Could be a T-shirt, and that's something that people would likely probably wear. So that's just a quick example of something to get started. Is people's basic connection with their horse. What about you, Moose? What do you have?
I mean, I feel like that's a good place to start, right? I just, as you were speaking, did a quick Facebook search of horse riding Facebook groups.
I feel like Google's cheating.
Yeah, I know. One of them is called Steve. This is a good place to start,
wait a
right?
minute.
Yeah, there's no Googling here. There's no internet searching.
Hold on a minute.
Google was not involved. It was just Facebook.
As I was dying of laughter, he was Googling.
I found a group called Horse People Things. There's 62,000 members, and they post 10 plus times a day.
Wow.
So I'm looking through here, and a lot of the things you were saying, Nate, are echoed here. The love of your horse, the relationship you have with your horse. Riding in general is not it's a shared experience with your horse. So that in itself, it's not like an animal that you use. It's an animal that you communicate with, right? So I think Nate, you hit it right on the head. Starting out thinking of designs is the best way to start this horse riding shop, right? So if you just open a shop with no designs, you're not going to be able to sell any shirts. So right where your mind's at is finding, that passion that's shared among horseback riders, whether, the relationship with their horse, and finding, unique ways to show that on a shirt, whether it's with, a typographical design, or if you have any drawing skills, like drawing a picture of your horse, something to fill your shop with designs that are relevant to your audience. DJ, do you have any more ideas about?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go
okay.
ahead. So, how would you market a horse, DJ?
Well, it really doesn't help that I'm staring at a wall that has a horse drawn on it. It's the spread horse.
That should help. That should help a
You
lot.
haven't seen it yet, Moose, but he's going to help me. He's going to bring me this focus that I need to do this correctly. Spread horse. All right, let's do it.